Right kam thamai haka Chester Secondary School kabadan ha West Gentle Hills Jowai mtau banai mi arajar apoi kerteng jengki pos kadai assistant lecturer full time but assistant lecturer part time kelas date lan ka tarik ka ba khado ba pilaban submit yiki applications jongpi kadai ha u khatsau tarik banai mi arajar apoi ki educational qualifications ki badan kam yakin ki post ki langkum ni ya ka full time assistant lecturer ka balai ka we ka post haban penhikai ya ka subject history but pihak ban pendam ya ka masters leni ka MA ha ka subject history ya ka kam part time assistant lecturer part ka balai sandli ki post ka we ka post na ka benta ka we ka subject ki subjects ki bab haban penhikai ki dei English, political science, economics, sociology, but education. Ka educational qualifications badan kam dari ban haban pendap ya ka masters leni MA, but kin prefer bah ya kita ki balak pendap ya ka BEd. Kita ki bakwa ban apply kini ki post assistant lecturer. Pihak ban download ya ka application form na ka website jang ka school. Bat pihak ban submit ya ka application form jang pi. Bat ka resume artat lu bat ki documents lan ki kod ki badan kam kum ki self attested certificates ki mark sheets birth certificate bat ka work experience certificate pihak ban submit online dan offline ya gitu ki bakwa ban submit offline pihak ban submit kini ki AKA ki application form ki resume ai syakanika address jangka Chester Secondary School kabadan ha West Gentle Hills District Jowai bat pihak ban submit ha ka portrait kabadin do shpo buje mistap hado lai buje janmit ya gitu gi bakwa ban apply online pat pihak ban attach ya ka application form ka resume bat kitu ki documents ki badan kam bat pihak ban shna PDF file bat pihak ban send syakanika email address kabadai ka Chester Secondary School @gmail.com bat hak tu ka lain subject hak pendap post applied for ya ka AKA ka post bat pihak ban apply dapat ko ban tip shushu shpang kini ki post assistant lecturer sumba download ya ka official notification kembala ai apa description jangka ni ka video